Hi all, welcome to the CA classroom. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to study when you don't feel like studying. This is a problem all of you face. For example, how many of you thought today you want to study at let's say 6 p.m. or 6 a.m. You'll plan to do something, but you will procrastinate and you won't study, not because you don't want to study. It's mainly because you will feel like you don't have the motivation to study, and it's not just you, everybody has this issue. So how do you face this and how do you get over this? Let me give you a small example and stay till the end for you to understand this. Let's take Sachin, or let's not take Sachin, let's take any sportsman. Let's take Neeraj Chopra, who got the gold medal now in the Olympics. Any sportsman here now, for them to get what the result they got, they've been practicing for years and days together. Or let's take Neeraj Chopra. He's been throwing the javelin throw for years together. Every day he'll be practicing at least for 3 to 6 hours minimum. Now, question is, did Neeraj Chopra not have the motivation? No, he had the motivation. Now, question is, did Neeraj Chopra have the fire in him, the desire in him every second in these 3 hours? Absolutely not. Nobody on this planet will have the fire in them every 6 hours or every 10 hours every day when they practice. Everybody is going to have the motivation, but the question is whether they have the fire. Answer is no, obviously not. Fire is going to be there for some time and later it will not be there. So then how do you get the fire to study? Very simple. How do you get the fire? Now let's take another example which is more relatable to you. Let's take a CA student who got a rank either in his inter or final. Anyone who cleared CA with rank? No. Do you think this student did not have the motivation? Definitely not. He always had the motivation. Yes, motivation was always there. But did he always have the fire in him? Did he always have the fire every day, 24/7? No, definitely not. He didn't have the fire. Every one of you, me, everyone, when you're a student, everybody was motivated to clear CA. No doubt in that. The question is, most times the fire is not there. You will not have that same intensity that you carry on a specific day at different days. So then how is that some people get the rank and some people get success and for some it takes time? How do I study when I don't feel like studying? It's pretty simple. The answer lies here. The answer lies in doing the small things right. Doing the small things right. Let me give you a few examples for you to understand this. Just a few examples. Now, what do I mean by doing the small things right? For example, you put an alarm for 6 a.m. Small thing, you would plan to wake up by 6 a.m. When the clock goes off, you put it off for snooze. Second, you plan to study by 5 p.m. today. You plan to do it, but you end up starting by 5:36, or you'll tell I'll do it tomorrow morning. You might not study today at 5 o'clock. It's just a one day thing. You'll tell I'll do it tomorrow, but tomorrow you might study well. Again, the day after you will not do well. So success or clearing CA is not, does not come over one single night. It's a process of doing small things right over a span of months, like span of so many months. You need to do your small things right. Small things like waking up on time. When you plan to do something, you have to do it. I plan to study from 5 p.m. for the next 4 hours till 9 p.m. You have to do it. What the successful people have done, everyone who's got a rank has done, is they've ensured they've done the small things right by building a routine for themselves. No, they are not fired up always. Nobody's going to be fired up always. Everybody is motivated, but the thing they did right was building a routine. Routine is nothing but a discipline. You need to bring a discipline for yourself. You need to get a discipline for yourself. That is very, very important. Forget about the next 100 days or the next 200 days when you're going to have the exam. Don't get tensed about the next 3 months, 4 months, etc. Think about only today. Think about today. And today, what is my routine? What should I do? Wake up at this time, study this, finish all of this, and revise all of this. Is my routine for the day correct? Am I following my routine for today correct? Put a tick. Again, tomorrow, is my routine for tomorrow correct? Put a tick. Focus on one day at a time. Focus on the process and get your routine right. Over a span of few weeks, your routine will become your habit. Routine will become a habit. Once you can create a routine for yourself, once it becomes a habit, automatically you will be disciplined and you will stick to the process. And once the process is right, your result is definitely going to do well. So this is how nobody is going to be fired all the time. It's only about setting up a process and doing well. So that's all about it. So how do I study when you don't feel like studying? It's just doing the small things right and sticking to your routine, and that's the only way about it. Thank you guys. All the best for your exams.